Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make perfect steak. Let's learn this before Christmas for your partner. Let's get it! Okay, ingredients are very simple. Steak, rosemary, thyme, sage, fresh black pepper, salt, butter, and garlic. Okay, we're going to start with salting our meat. Make sure they're room temperature and pat dry before you do this. And this is my truffle salt that I recommend you guys get. It's very cheap. It's in link in bio. Please check it out. Make sure to do this process right before you cook them, otherwise you won't make a good crust. Use vegetable oil for better crust. Go ahead and put that in your pan, slap your meat for extra flavor, compress for about 45 seconds on one side, flip it for 10 seconds, and cook your side as well for about 5 seconds, then lower your heat to low, and then add in your garlic and herbs. Check up on your steak all the time. When you start to see a red liquid start to flow out of the surface of the steak, turn the heat off, add in your butter, and baste it. And make sure to let your steak rest. This will make it even tender and juicier. I also made a sauce using the leftover goodies from the pan, wine, soy sauce, sesame, and some heavy milk. And that's it. Please like and subscribe my channel for more video. Enjoy!